Thanks. What's good? What's happening, fam? Mambo vipi, yo? Today I'm more than excited, manzi. I'm excited than a motherfucker. I don't know if I can zoom in straight to you right there. Yeah, if you can see it there, man, then you already know we're about to view, man. I can't wait to get my hands on this baby, man. Look at those hips, manzi. Leo God amemwakuni amaze, man. That's so crazy. Yani, I go to meet one of my dream cars, man. Let me get my hands on this stuff right there. That's a fucking Dodge, man. That's a fucking Dodge, man. It's a beast of a car. Nice. Whoop! Impressive. Yeah, so ladies and gents, like promised, there's a Dodge. It's a 5.7 liter, so you definitely know this car gasses a whole lot of power. It's a beast on the roads, man. The sound this car brings out, manze, that's the sound to my ears. You heard the revs. Yeah, look at the size of those brake pads, and they're not perforated, so definitely you know these guys know what they be doing, man. It's a beast of a car right there.
In here, homeboys. Got my homeboy cash in this. Whatever true. My homeboys. In here, homeboys. In here, homeboys. In here, homeboys. Yeah. In here, homeboys. Wale wa true tumehustle mpaka tumefika juu tukiwa down. Wali criticize wamebaki wamewana tumefika prize. Aim ni kublock kabisa. Nicheza mabiliva bako ya kanisa. Story na kukopa ni Z. Bro ni sequence mashoni jaza yo do. In here, homeboys. Wale wa true mzuka ungori tutafika tu. Real niggas who stay true. Tangu day one ni machizi full. Homeboys. Wale wa true mzuka ungori tutafika tu.
Impressive.
Hemi ya magoons wale wa mtaa, wale tumehaso tukapiga mandirao, wale kabla dozi ingie na